Hi guys, are you interested to make money online only by playing video games? Because in this particular video, I'm going to be reveal to you what website that's going to help you to do that, right? So you're going to make money literally only by playing video games. So the payment is going to be $9 up to $11, depend on how difficulty of the video game and how long that you are going to play that video game. So if you like to make money only by playing video games, stick with me until the end, because I'm going to reveal to you what you need to know, where you need to go and everything else only by playing video game. So guys, if this is your first time just came across to my channel, my name is Zaidi Mustafa. In this channel, I'm going to be reveal to you a lot of method on how to make money online. And if you love this kind of video, click the subscribe button below and don't forget to hit the bell notification as well, so that way you're not gonna miss every time I upload my new video. So let's get started. So guys, the website that I talk about is called Playtestcloud.com. So you can head over to Playtestcloud.com to access this website. So what is this website is all about? This is actually a platform for games developer who wanted to get their game test. So you as a tester, you're going to make money only by playing video games. So you are actually going to play a video game that unreleased. So you are actually the first one who are going to play this video game. So head over to this website and become a tester and fill up some simple form, and then you are good to go and you can start make money by playing video game. So what you have to do here, when you become a tester, you're going to receive an email invitation. So whenever there is a new video game that you have to test, they're going to send you an invitation email. In that invitation email, they're going to tell you every detail that you need to know, like how much that you're going to get paid. Minimum payout is going to be $9 up to $11, like I told you before, and the average amount of games that you need to play is about approximately 15 minutes. All right, so it's your payment depending on how long the game going to take, the test going to take. So if the game is going to take you a bit longer, then you're going to pay a bit more money. Okay, every month Playtestcloud is going to sending out like 100,000 tests per month. So it's going to be a lot of a game that need to be tested. So what you have to do, just pay close attention with your email and keep on checking email. Whenever they send you the email invitation, you have to be participate as soon as you could. All right, so all the payment is going to pay via PayPal. If you haven't get your PayPal account set up already, I highly encourage you to get your PayPal account set up. It's really simple, just link up your credit card or debit card to your PayPal account. So what interesting about this platform, there are no minimum payout. So whatever amount that you have in your account balance, you can get it out, you can cash it out. Okay, so if you like to work with this company, what you have to have is smartphone or tablet or a PC and a pair of headphones, because what you're gonna do is you're going to speak your thought out while you're playing that video game. So they're going to provide you some sort of software when you become a tester. Then you're going to play video games and record all the activities that you are doing, and then you're going to talk out loud using your headphone or your earphone, because that is how they're going to improve their games, because they wanted to know what is actually you think that not really interesting about their game, what you like or what you don't like. You just speak it out and speak it loud, so that they can know, and eventually they're going to improve with their final product. Okay, so who is actually they're looking for? They're looking for anyone who are interested to work with them. You don't have to have any prior experience, or you don't have to be like a gaming expert, because they just wanted like an ordinary people like you and me who wanted to make some extra cash online, because they need a genuine thought on how to improve their video game. And also you don't have to become a tester expert or whatsoever. You just test like an ordinary people. Unfortunately, currently this Playtestcloud.com is only available for people who are living in USA, UK, and Canada. But they do have some option that you can fill out when you become a tester. So when you become a tester, there is an option which is they're going to ask you where are you coming from. Okay, this one. Which country do you live in? You just fill out because who knows, maybe down the road in the future, maybe they need you, or maybe when they see there's a lot of requested it's actually from your country, they're going to approve you, and you can make money with this website as well, right? So guys, I think that's it for this video. It's pretty straightforward. What you have to do, just go to Playtestcloud and fill in the form and get started and start to make money only by playing video game. So I hope you get some value throughout my video, and if you want more video just like this, click the subscribe button below and don't forget to hit the bell notification, and also don't forget to give me some thumbs up because it does help this video, right? See you on my next video. Bye bye.